Só que a profissão das minas
Hey guys, we have this awesome JK came in for some extra power. So obviously, when someone with a Jeep asked us for extra power, we install a Sprintex Supercharger. Now you guys all know about the Sprintex Gen 1 Superchargers. We've sold more than 400, 500 pieces just pre-2017. Sprintex has released the Gen 2 Supercharger. The Gen 2 Supercharger is an enhanced version of the Gen 1. More reliable, better airflow, better cooling, and more power. All of this without affecting the risk of damaging anything. It's very safe, it's very smooth. Sprintex is known for a smooth power delivery. And this is what you need on the road and in the desert. Air now goes in from the front. In the past, it used to go in from the rear. The rotors are using now a new technology that are much stronger with even stronger bearings. Plus, the tune is so much more advanced. So if you have a JK and want more power, we have these Gen 2 Superchargers in stock. If you have a JL or JT, watch next video pretty soon.